All right, welcome back. Let's do some shakas and shout outs. First of all, to the park rangers at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. They are the crew that have to clean up offerings made up at Kilauea, a summit area of Kilauea. And I put the offerings in quotes because visitors have been leaving behind roasting pans filled with meat, poke, unopened packages of Chips Ahoy, fruit, candy bars, and burning incense sticks.
Okay.
And, then the park rangers got to go clean them up.
I can straight up tell you, I don't think she liked Chips Ahoy cookies, so you guys can just deliver that to us.
Well, I can straight up tell you that not going to be a local person delivering Chips Ahoy. That burger is expensive. And poke.
Yeah, and that's the full pack, yeah? That's not like the snack pack. That's
the party pack, right? The Chips Ahoy party pack. That's really, really pricey. So, shakas and shout outs to our park rangers over there.
Yeah. Shakas and shout outs to the Pacific Academy of Performing Arts, otherwise known as Papa Hawaii. They're presenting Once on This Island at Hawaii Theater. It is a powerful, upbeat musical coming of age story that helps a young woman answer the age-old question, can love conquer death? I saw this musical at another venue and these performers are just amazing. This is a show to watch for sure. Ooh. 4 shows this weekend starting tonight at 6 p.m. Get details and ticket info at kitv.com/links.
Oh, they look so much fun.
And shout out to our family in the
yes,
pictures.
Wow.
That's Cage right there, and then his beautiful sister Alicia was in red. She's going to be playing the lead role.
Yeah.
Oh, my ka'i. And shakas and shout outs to the Windward Orchid Society. It is hosting the 41st annual Orchid Show and Plant Sale happening today through Sunday at King Intermediate School. It's today until 5 p.m. Tomorrow it opens at 10 a.m. and runs until 5 p.m. Sunday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and they take credit cards, so go check them, go check them, go check them.
I love
That's
that.
important. You gotta have the credit card.
Swipe, babe, swipe.
And sometimes, a lot of times, they also have they take Venmo and they get the Square and stuff. So yeah, go support them this weekend.